Hi OFS. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how you can check the number of students enrolled in an in-person class so that you can see if there's still room in that class. So just to remind you, on the family version, on the schedule of classes, there is a tab that has the in-person class schedule. So all the classes that I'm talking about are here. So I'm just going to go through a couple of examples. And I'm doing this for second semester specifically, so I'm going to show you how to look at second semester class lists. Okay, so first off I go to classes in Alma, and then I'm going to search, and let's do applied math. Right here, when you first log in, it'll have semester 1 defaulted if you're searching during first semester, so I just changed it to semester 2. And you can see if it has the OFS at the end of it, that means it's an in-person class. And there is still room because the cap for Miss Becky's applied math is 20 students. So there is still room. Let's try another one. Okay, now if I just type in English, there are so many classes. I'm specifically looking for English Comp 1, but if I even just type English Comp, I'll be able to see the OFS. That tells me it's an in-person class, second semester. There are 21 students. So construction has a limit of 12, applied math has 20, but all other classes, the limit is 25. So this tells me there is room in English Comp 1. Let's try student leadership. Okay, OFS pops up, and second semester, there's leadership level 1 and level 2. There are 10 students, 6 students, 16 total, so I can tell that there is still room in that class. So again, you're looking at the in-person classes. Notice, make sure you see that there are some classes that were only first semester, like photography, and then second semester, Janice is teaching something different. So you want to search for the correct class for the correct semester in Alma. So classes, in the search bar where it says search by anything, you will start typing the name of the class. Make sure you're looking at second semester, and then look over here to the right to see how many students are in the class. All right.